एक मिनट, माइक दीजिएगा उनको।
यात्रा पहुंची है, लोग आपसे जुड़ रहे हैं, तो क्या इस यात्रा के बाद देशव्यापी स्तर पर कोई दूसरा ऐसा अभियान चलाने की आपकी तैयारी है?
नहीं, हमने पहले कहा था कि जब तक यात्रा नहीं खत्म होती तब तक हमारा फोकस यात्रा पर और जो हमने मुद्दे उठाए हैं उन पर रहेंगे। यात्रा के बाद क्या होगा वो यात्रा के बाद डिसाइड होगा। मतलब जब तक हम श्रीनगर पहुंचेंगे तब तक हमारा फोकस इसी पे है। क्योंकि होता क्या है कि अगर कुछ काम करने निकले हैं और उस काम के खत्म होने से पहले हम दूसरे काम के बारे में सोचना शुरू कर देते हैं, बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं, तो फोकस लूज हो जाती है। इसलिए हमने ये निर्णय लिया है।
सॉरी
इट्स फाइन।
राहुल जी, आर्टिकल 370 का जो रिस्टोरेशन का एक इशू है, यहाँ पे कुछ आवाजें उठती हैं, तो क्या कांग्रेस उसका सपोर्ट करती है रिस्टोरेशन का, या आपके एजेंडे से बाहर आर्टिकल?
नहीं, कांग्रेस पोजीशन ऑन आर्टिकल 370 इज वेरी क्लियर। हमारी वर्किंग कमेटी का रेजोल्यूशन है, उसको आप पढ़ लीजिए। दैट इज आवर पोजीशन।
कश्मीर से सुष्मिता।
Good afternoon. Sir, my question is, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has just stated through your Bharat Yatra, you are spreading hatred and you are defaming India even abroad. Not just you are spreading hatred across India, but even abroad you are defaming India. So my question would be, if, as according to BJP, if your heart is full of hatred for a particular person, because you always speak against Prime Minister, BJP and RSS, so if you have not been able to win over your hatred, how can you spread love and compassion across the country? Thank you.
Is this a question or a statement? What is the question? No, but the heart is not. But the heart is not full of hatred. In fact, I'm very respectful, and I don't have hatred for anybody. You've not really asked me a question. You have stated an opinion, and you've made a statement. No. You made a statement. There is no question in what you have said, right? You have stated that I have hatred in my heart, and if you have watched this yatra, right, not once have I said there is hatred for anybody, right? This yatra has been about love and affection from the beginning. Everybody in this yatra has been respectful. Nobody in this yatra has attacked or abused anybody else, right? So it's interesting that you, instead of asking a question, you make a statement. It reflects what you're trying to do. Now, as far as Mr. Rajnath Singh's statement is concerned, I don't understand how a Padyatra across the country that is uniting the people of India, that is bringing the people of India together, that is being loving and affectionate to the people of India, is harming the interest of India. I don't understand it. I can see how the hatred and violence that Mr. Rajnath Singh's party is spreading damages the country. I can see how dividing India between religions, between communities, between castes, between genders is harming the nation. And I can also see how it is defaming the nation. If you look at all the newspapers abroad, right, and you must spend some time doing it, you will find that they are all asking the question, what has happened to India's traditional values? What has happened to India's brotherhood? What has happened to India's strength under the current government? So the defamation is being done by the ideology of the BJP and the RSS. Finally, I think Mr. Rajnath Singh, I would be surprised if these were his actual views. Rajnath Singh ji operates in a party where what he has to say is told to him by the top. I don't think he has a choice in the matter. So it's nice that Mr. Rajnath Singh has expressed his opinion. I think it is something that he has done as a result of orders from the top.
पंजाब केसरी से कमल राणा.